Hi, I'm Anita from the Odisha Geo Anita's Lifestyle, and today I'm going to make another recipe for you guys, grilled pumpkin. This is a very easy recipe and just simply grill the pumpkin by using the grill pan. Then let's go, we'll start the recipe now. Here are the ingredients for the grilled pumpkin recipe. I have taken 250 gram of pumpkins which I have cleaned and cut it into slices. Some grated ginger and garlic, some finely chopped cilantro, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and the black pepper powder. I have added the pumpkin slices in the mixing bowl. Then add grated ginger and garlic in it. Then add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Then add salt as per taste. Then add chopped cilantro. Then mix it well. The mixture is ready. The pumpkin is going to marinate now. Make sure spread the spices and seasoning on the pumpkin slices both the side very well and leave for marinate 5 minutes. Then we are going to grill the pumpkin slices. Then take a grill pan. Then brush some oil on the grill pan. I have taken the olive oil. You can take any other oil as well. Now the grill pan is hot. Once the oil is hot, then place the marinated pumpkin slices on the hot grill pan and grill them for about 3 minutes on medium flame. It's almost 3 minutes. Then turn over the pumpkin slice and grill them another sides on the medium flame. Make sure the pumpkin slices should be crunchy and perfect grilled. Don't overcook. So now it's done. The grilled pumpkin is ready now.